Hi all, this section is all about making you familiar with the TypeScript. TypeScript supports JavaScript, CoffeeScript and TypeScript. TypeScript is a type superset of JavaScript. Now, as you are all aware, as Java is to Selenium, similarly JavaScript or TypeScript is to TestCafe. Better understanding of any one of these three languages or any of these languages gives you better command over TestCafe. So let's begin. The first step that we're going to do is we have to install the TypeScript compiler. The small command for that is npm install space -g space TypeScript. Here you are already aware G means globally. Now we have to simply copy paste this command and put it in the terminal and then just install it. I am not going to install it since I have already installed it. Now after we are done installing it, we have to simply check the version. So what we need to do, we need to type tsc space -- version. If TypeScript is installed successfully or the TypeScript compiler is installed successfully, we are going to see the version in this. Okay, so the TypeScript is installed and it is ready to be used. So let's first write a small program. I'm going to add a file with the name of file_program with extension of .ts. Okay, I'm going to save it. Now let's simply copy paste some of the code I have already written here. Let's not worry about what this particular piece of code is going to do. Just simply save it. Okay, so it is printing something, first program up, and then we are printing this message. So after saving it, let's come to the terminal again and type tsc space the name of the file, which is file_program.ts. okay, after first of all this program is going to get compiled, and once it is going to get compiled successfully, we are going to see a .js or JavaScript file. Why we got this file, what are these different keywords, we are going to see in the upcoming sessions. Now we have simply got the .js file. Now let's run it. For running it, we have to simply type node space the name of the file, which is file_program.js, and just enter it. So you see we got the message printed. So ensure just two things. You have to install the TypeScript compiler using this command, and in order to execute it, install just you have got the node installed. I am expecting, like, since we have already covered a couple of sessions on the TestCafe, so node is already installed. Okay, so that was the first video in this series where we are going to make you familiar with TypeScript, how to get the system ready for TypeScript. So, thank you.